To generate a QR code, you need to follow the following steps. First, install Pillow. To install Pillow, type the given code in the terminal. After installing Pillow, import QR code in your program. You need to install QR code as well. So, install QR code by typing the given code in your terminal. After installing all requirements, create an input path to enter the URL. To generate a QR code, use QR.make function and pass the required parameter. Here I am passing URL as a parameter. And save the QR code using img.save function, where img is the generated image. Save function takes one parameter, that is name, so provide the appropriate name with .png extension. After that, run your Python code with Python QR.py in your terminal, where QR.py is your file name. Copy a URL from any site that you want to make QR code. I am using my YouTube channel link to generate QR code and paste it to the input section in terminal. As you hit enter, QR code is generated in the same folder where your Python file exists. Thanks for watching. Please scan this QR code and subscribe.